Welcome to the Marineff Artificial Rockpool Materials video. My name is Jess Bone and I'm a research assistant for the Marineff project. This video is going to share more about the materials used in the production of the Marineff Artificial Rockpools. A very important part of the Marineff project was to test different concrete formulas to select the right one and to gain a better understanding of the cement and aggregate mineralogy. This means we can ensure the production of a high-quality, durable, eco-engineering product that has a long service life, enhances biodiversity, and is readily colonizable, and therefore value for money. It also demonstrates to stakeholders and coastal practitioners that these eco-engineering designs are safe to be in the public realm and form part of coastal infrastructure, whether that be sea walls or breakwaters. The cement for the rock pools was different to that used for the other modules in the Marineff project, as it came highly recommended to us by the rockpool manufacturer's Articology, following years of successful use in coastal environments. Bicat Prompt is a natural cement comprised of limestone without additives that sets and hardens very rapidly compared to traditional cement. It also has the added benefit of lower CO2 emissions during its production, as it is not fired at high temperatures. The aggregates included in the mixes were a chert-based sand and gravel, with a sand up to 4.75 mm in size, and gravel between 4.75 and 10 mm. To determine the best formula for the rockpool manufacture, Bicat Prompt cement was mixed with aggregate 1, which comprised solely of the finer sand aggregate, at a 1:1 and 2:1 aggregate to cement ratio. Cement was mixed with aggregate 2, which was comprised of a combination of finer sand and coarser gravel aggregate at the same 1:1 and 2:1 ratios again. The table summarizes the components of each mix, with the measurements given in kilograms per 1 meter cubed of material. The tests conducted on the concrete mixes were undertaken by Marineff's lead partner, ESITC. The tests for the physical properties were conducted on cylindrical samples that had cured for 28 days, providing data for mass and porosity given in the table at the bottom. The tests for mechanical strength were conducted on samples that had cured for 7 days due to time limitations, and the results are also included in the table. Concrete mix number 3 was chosen for the rockpool manufacture for its high mechanical strength. Thanks for watching. There are more videos in the Artificial Rockpool series which are listed on screen. Be sure to also visit our social media and the Marineff project website for more resources.